Are plumbing issues disrupting the peace in your home? Struggling with a heating problem or a stubborn drain that just won't clear? You're not alone. Here's the good news. KC's Plumbing and Heating has the solution. With decades of experience, KC's Plumbing and Heating offers professional solutions to the most difficult plumbing, heating, or drain cleaning problems. We don't just fix the issue, we solve it, ensuring your home stays safe, warm, and worry-free. From emergency repairs to routine maintenance, our licensed experts are ready to tackle any challenge, big or small. We're the trusted name homeowners rely on for quality service and lasting results. Why settle for a temporary fix when you can have a professional solution that lasts? With KC's Plumbing and Heating, peace of mind is just a call away. Visit our website today, kcplum.ca, to learn more and book a service call. Don't wait. Let us solve your plumbing, heating, or drain cleaning problem with the expertise you can trust. KC's Plumbing and Heating, professional solutions, exceptional service. Visit us now.